What's going on, guys? Marcus are here, and we're on Coinbase.com, and I'm going to show you guys something cool that you guys could do if you guys are into cryptocurrency and you guys is just wondering, like, man, okay, I understand cryptocurrency, I have cryptocurrency, but what can I do with it now? Or if you're just getting started, if you just bought cryptocurrency and you're wondering, like, man, what can I do with it? I'm going to show you exactly what you can do with it, and we're going to buy a product off of Amazon with Bitcoin, right? I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. It's this store called Bitcoin Superstore, and this is going to be the place after we go through Coinbase, and then we're going to go to this website. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use Bitcoin Superstore so you can buy your Amazon product, or if you want to, buy gift cards as well that they have on this site. So it's really straightforward on how to use this. So first, let's go to Coinbase. I already logged into my account. As you guys can see here, my portfolio value is $0. So I need to buy some crypto, right? So these are the markets right now that's currently on Coinbase. Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum. Ethereum Classic is a new listed digital asset on this platform. And then you have Litecoin. So let's go ahead and buy some Bitcoin. So we're going to go in this buy/sell tab. I already have everything linked up to my bank account or to my debit card, so that enables me to buy cryptocurrency. So I'm going to buy Bitcoin. The payment method I'm going to use is not USD wallet, but like I said, I'm going to use my debit card. Or if I want to, I could buy cryptocurrency with my not debit card, but standard account. But I don't want to do it that way because it's not going to be instant. Buying cryptocurrency is a way that I recommend you buy cryptocurrency because it's straightforward and you get your cryptocurrency in your wallet immediately. So let's go ahead and do that. So I changed this to my debit card. The amount that I want to spend on cryptocurrency, let's go with let's be on the safe side. Let me just put $25 into this, right? I also have money in my other account, but I'm just buying some more. So just put 25.00. And then that's going to populate into what that means in Bitcoin, 0.00327909. And then I want to buy the Bitcoin instantly for $25. So this is going to be a final step, which is trying to confirm my transaction. So I can buy this cryptocurrency. So it shows me I'm purchasing Bitcoin at 0.0033 at $7,169.67 per Bitcoin. So I'm getting a fraction of the Bitcoin here. And I'm paying with my debit card just this instant. It's going to be deposited into my BTC wallet. So this is how much I'm getting in Bitcoin at this price here. Coinbase fee total $25. So the Coinbase fee is pretty cheap, only at $1.49 to buy $25 worth a Bitcoin, right? So I'm going to go ahead and confirm this buy. This is going to be instantly sent to my Bitcoin wallet, as you guys can see. So it'll say, thank you for your payments processing. I'm going to leave a link below so you guys can sign up for Coinbase if you don't have it already. So this purchase was successful. So this is in my wallet. So let's go to my dashboard here. You guys are going to see that purchase reflect in my BTC wallet, right? So this is my portfolio value now, which is $23.54. This is my recent activity, and this is my portfolio, which is showing 99% Bitcoin, which I hold. And this is a chart of my total balance as well, just to get a better look at that. So let's go to see more assets. And this is, available on Coinbase, and this is what you could trade and things like that, and just give you more in-depth information on the cryptocurrency. And these are cryptocurrency that's not available, that's not listed on Coinbase, but this is just a place to watch other cryptocurrencies and check the price out and things like that. So let's go to my wallet. So let's go to accounts, and let's see this money in my BTC wallet. So this is my BTC wallet right here. Just told me that I bought Bitcoin at this price at $25, and this is reflecting in my account now, right? BTC wallet right here, $23.39. So the exciting part, right? So we have cryptocurrency, we have Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin Superstore. We're going to do a buy from any online retailer all major cryptocurrency acceptance. So, in a nutshell, what this is pretty much, this is like a layer for people who are earning cryptocurrencies, right? There's a lot of people who are in the real world not earning fiat dollars. They are earning a different, currency, which is, in this case, digital currencies, which is Bitcoin. People are earning Bitcoin. So they don't want to, make that exchange of changing their Bitcoin to fiat dollars. They just want to keep their cryptocurrency. So they just keep their cryptocurrency in their wallet, and hopefully the price of Bitcoin go up and they make money, right? Or if they're a day trader, they're making money off of that. There's different ways how you can make money in this space. But yeah, that's essentially what this website is. It's a conversion. So, people who earn Bitcoin in this world, right, might want to buy something with a Bitcoin, right? Instead of them exchanging it for fiat dollars and buying something in the real world, they just keep their cryptocurrency and buy something in the real world. So this is what this website offers. So it's pretty much in a nutshell. I'm going to go to Amazon. So I found a product on Amazon that I want to buy, and this Bitcoin Superstore is going to help me convert my cryptocurrency into fiat dollars for me, so I won't have to do that, and that will enable me to buy this product off of Amazon, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to get this Planter. I'm not going to pronounce that last part of it because I always don't know how to pronounce it right, but this is a pair of socks essentially for foot relief. This is something that I have right now, and it hurts really bad on my right foot. It's like a band that runs across your foot and it stretches out. So I got that band underneath my foot sprained, so it definitely hurting. So I'm gonna get these socks and buy it. So all I need to do is pick a product on Amazon. It can be any product that you want. So in this case, I'm gonna buy this product. I'm going to hover over the link here. I'm gonna hit copy. I'm gonna go back to the website here, Bitcoin Store, which is gonna say purchase now. Input the product name, URL, and list the price, plus shipping costs if applicable. Add to cart and check out. So I created an account on Bitcoin Superstore already. So let me just go ahead and put that URL. The price of this is, what's the price on this? I think it's what, $8.79, right? So that's the price I'm gonna put for this product, just to make sure. So add to cart and just make sure what the price truly is on this price here, which is $8.79. So let's just go with $8.79 with this price here, because my computer don't want to load it up. So $8.79. I'm just running out to $9, right? Let's just put $9 here and just get $9, and hopefully the change will go somewhere, right? So add to cart, $9 for that pair. I just input the URL. So this is loading up currently right now, which is going to get me into a purchase now, which has been added to my cart. So I'm going to view cart. Then I have both of them already because I was trying it out, because I was trying a different product. So I'm gonna go ahead and X that out. I don't want that. That's $40. And I just want to try a low dollar amount because I never done this before. You guys are watching me in the make a purchase, with a cryptocurrency and buying an item off Amazon, right? True story. So, this is in my cart. Proceed to checkout like normal, right? We've all been through this stage before. It's real simple if you ever bought something online. So I'm going ahead and enter my billing details. I'm going to be right back, and then we're going to finish the process on what to do next so we can buy this item. So now we're back. So I enter my billing details. As you guys can see here, is blocked out, right? I don't want you guys to see that information. But yeah, guys, so this order is $9, right? So, this is giving me the option. What do I want to buy this in? I want to use Bitcoin. So this give me options right here: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, other cryptocurrency. You got TRX, Tron, then you have XMR, XRP, then you have Nano down here. So I'm going ahead and change this into Bitcoin because that's what I have, not Bitcoin Cash. Be careful of that, right? Make sure you're not using Bitcoin Cash. I have Bitcoin, so I want to make sure I have Bitcoin, which I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and I have read and read this website terms and conditions, which I done. So do it yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this order and see what the next step is. And I'm excited, guys. Hopefully this goes through. Hopefully this works, and hopefully you guys could become a believer that, you know, cryptocurrency is a place where you can actually use it to purchase things in the real world. So this is loading up. So now the next steps is order number right here. All different information right here. My billing. billing address, shipping address, and things of that nature. To complete your order, send this amount of BTC to this address here. Awaiting payment, checked every 15 seconds. So let me go ahead and do this process here. So I want to send this amount of Bitcoin, right, to this address. So let's go back to Coinbase. This money is in my wallet. So I'm gonna go to accounts, BTC wallet. It's going to say receive. I don't want to receive Bitcoin. I want to send it out. So I want to send it so I can purchase something. So enter the recipient. So I'm going to go back here to the checkout. This is the recipient. Okay, I have it. It's on my clip for me to send my Bitcoin. This is my wallet address. I have this here. Make sure you have this and not this. I'm going to enter the recipient, hit paste. Make sure you see that green check mark. If you don't see this, then it's not going to work. So possibly refresh your page if you're having an issue on this section. So I'm going to enter the dollar amount, which is, go ahead and back to Bitcoin Store and copy that dollar amount there. Paste it here and boom. That's going to be 0.000020 Bitcoin, which is this price here, right? Actually, oops. So that was USD. So I made a mistake. I need to paste it here, right? Bitcoin. So $10.11. So, first Amazon. So there you go. So hit continue. So this is giving my last details here. $10.11. Miner fee total $10.23. Enter my second verification, which is lit up on my screen here. So enter that 0246025. So I can make this go. This is just an extra step security. I don't want nobody using anything to buy stuff with my crypto. So your transactions the only way. You sent this amount to external address. I can view my details. This is the Bitcoin Superstore here too, and it looks like everything is done. So order details. This is the product. Shipping fees. You're supposed to be showing me this, but something's going on here. So let me go ahead. It says thank you. Your order has been received. So that just confirms that I just purchased this order. So now what's supposed to be happening next is within the next 24 hours, they are supposed to be giving me my tracking ID, and I will show you guys that once I'm done here. So yeah, guys, I'm excited, and you guys just see me purchase an Amazon product with cryptocurrency by using Bitcoin Store. So go to bitcoinstore.us so you guys can get a look at how this works. And yeah, guys, it's pretty cool. Hopefully you guys get involved with this. So this is the date that I purchased this. This is my pending payment and $10.04 for one item. Yeah, guys, and that's it. So check out my subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. All feedback is good feedback. And yeah, guys, hopefully you guys can see the next step in this and me receiving my order based on me using Bitcoin Superstore. What's going on, guys? Marcus Zari here, and yeah, my package finally arrived off Amazon that I purchased with my Bitcoin. So I'm very, very excited of that. And this is pretty much the unboxing of this item that I purchased, which is a pair of socks for plantar fasciitis. It's a pain that I have in my right foot, so this is definitely going to relieve that pain. So that's why I bought it off Amazon. So with that said, let's go ahead and wrap this unboxing up. I might need some scissors here. Nope, I don't need them. So these are my socks that just came in right here, as you guys can see. So this is the item that I purchased off Amazon by going to a website called Bitcoin Superstore, as you all seen in this video. And I was able to use that site so it can help me purchase a item off Amazon with my my Bitcoin. My camera's falling here, so with my Bitcoin. So yeah, this is my socks here called plantar fasciitis. Definitely going to help me out with this foot pain here. And yeah, so I will do a review on these socks to see if they really work or not when I go to work. So hopefully it does. If not, then I'll just buy some different plantar fasciitis here. So with that said, give this video a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs down. All feedback is good feedback. And yeah, guys, just like that, you guys all seen the step by steps. If you guys got confused or got lost, go ahead and rewatch this video here.
And I do apologize for my camera and just not trying to hold still. So got to get that fixed. So with that said, I'm out, guys.